Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about 1000-watt metal halide LED retrofit kits. In your outdoor fixtures, you have shoeboxes, parking lot area, flood lights that are 1000-watt. We have two options of retrofit kits that work great. This is our 280, 320, or 350-watt LED retrofit kits. Get you up all the way to about 52,000 lumens if you needed it. Includes the LED module, driver, and a mounting bracket that can mount the LED module vertically or horizontally in the fixture. We also have, if you have a 23-inch shoebox, a 23-inch shoebox 300-watt kit. It also comes in a 240, again around 48,000 LED lumens. Comes with the driver, everything you need in all cases to install. However, you do want to consider when you're looking at a 1000-watt retrofit, there are a lot of good new fixture options that will provide you the same type of performance and similar cost benefits. So give one of our salespeople a call today, and they'll help recommend the right solution for your requirements. Have a great day.